I'm going to explain what my favorite Swiss Army pocket knife is. Now this can change from time to time. My favorite Swiss Army pocket knife used to be this model here. Kind of like an outdoors thing. Wherever I am, I pretty much have what I need, for the most part, as far as work is concerned. And if I go out to the woods, and then I really like this one because in addition to what this has, this one also has a what they call a magnifying glass, and it has a Phillips head screwdriver. Also a great model. But now this is my favorite Swiss Army pocket knife. I have two of these of different colors, but it's my favorite type. It has a nail clip, which is more durable than the average nail clip you can buy in the store. It has scissors. It has a little pocket knife. It has a fingernail file, and it has an edge where you can clean your fingernails. And I have filed this down so that I can get it in my fingernail better and clean it. So it has all those features and a toothpick and a pair of tweezers. Toothpick and tweezers. So the reason this is my favorite now is because now I have this multi-tool, Victorinox multi-tool, built to the same quality, or maybe slightly better quality. And so I have these features, with the exception of the scissors, which my old multi-tool, the Spirit X Victorinox, all had a pair of scissors and slightly different arrangement of tools, but it was just as good as this one. So this one has a bunch of features, everything I need to work with except for scissors. Now this one has everything that my multi-tool doesn't have that I need. So it has the scissors, nail clip, has the nail file, it has the tweezers and the toothpick. So what I don't have on this one, I have on this one. So anyway, I actually have two of these of different colors, but it's my favorite model. I don't say white is my favorite color. It's a good color. I think I'd prefer yellow, but I have white and red. And there are other Swiss Army knives that I have not had, but if I get a few other models, I might have a new favorite Swiss Army knife. But as of today, this is my favorite, And among multi-tools, Victorinox makes my favorite multi-tools, and I prefer them to Swiss Army knives because, one, they have a pair of pliers too, and they come with a sheath, which I can loop my belt through, and so it does not take up space in my pocket. And the sheath is a very big, important feature, because nowadays we have to carry a lot of things in our pockets, especially men do. Now, womenfolk can wear purses and carry a pocket knife, Swiss Army knife of just about any size that they make in a purse, and it's not too big. But for men, a multi-tool is much better. So